Alex and Ian, obviously I chose you guys after having met you in person, and really enjoyed our chat and the kind offer of coming on board and helping me out as I was looking at this wonderful world of Amazon that I'd never been into before. I think from when I met you guys, I could tell you had a lot of energy and were really passionate about it, and I was really looking forward to working with you. I think with the training, the thing that I really liked was that it could be at your own pace. So as I was working through the steps and actually doing them myself, that's when I was coming back to the training at that time, rather than having to do it all in one go and then not remembering when you were actually up to the bit that you wanted to do in real life, not remembering how to do it. So that was really useful, and I really appreciated that. The ability to call on you guys anytime is really great. I didn't really have to until the end because the content made so much sense. But knowing that if something doesn't make sense and it really wasn't working, that there is that ability there, I think is really useful and makes the learning a lot easier, because you know that there's a fallback position. Yeah, if someone was looking to join Amazon for the first time and trying to understand how everything worked, I would definitely recommend the training to them.